Let us check out with the fifth problem. Here, what will be the HCF of 48, 144 and 576? HCF is nothing but highest common factor. Right. There are two ways you can do. One is prime factorization method. Let me find that using prime factorization method, and second one is division method. So let us find the prime factors of 48. So 48 prime factors will be, right, 2 24s, right, 2 12s, right, 2 6s, right, and 2 3s. So for 48 the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2, right, so 4 2s, right, into 3. Now let me go with for 144. For 144 again same way you go, 2 7s are 2s, right, 2, right, so 36, right, 2 18s, right, 2 9s, right, 3 3s. Now for 144 the prime factors is 2 4 2s, right, and 2 3s. So let me go with for 576. For 576 let us check out. Let us go with 2 2s, right, 1 17 2 8s, right, 8s. Again I'll go with this 2 144s, then again 2 72s, right, 2 36, 2 18s, 2 9s, and 3 3s. Here how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 2s are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 2s and 2 3s. Now you are supposed to select the common one. Here 2 is here, right, 2 I'll take, again 2 2 2, right, only common one, common terms you need to, common numbers you need to take this, right, into 2, right, 2, right, so 2 is not there, right, this also you need to leave. Now only 1 3 is here, right, that into 3, right. Now multiply it here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 into 3, that is going to be 48. 48 is the HCF of 48, 144 and 576. Option C is the right one. Let us go with the division method. So in case of division method, first you take the two number, that is 48. Let us find the HCF of 48 and 144. Now divide 144, that divided by 48. 48 4 3s are, see, 48 3s are 144. So HCF of 48 and 144 is 48. Now you take this 48 and then divide with by, that is 576, divide by 48. 48 1s are 48, right, 17 minus 8, 17 minus 8 is how much? That is 9, 6, 48 2s are 96. So this is also, this number is also completely divisible, that is 576 is divisible 48. So the HCF of 48 and 576 is 48 only. The answer is 48.